Hi and Assalamualaikum to Dr. Azharina Zakaria. My name is Nur Shahira binti Hussein. My group members are Sharifah Dura Uzmah bin Said Jaafar Muhyiddin, Nur Syakiri Muhammad Azwar, Nur Saidatushima binti Mazin, and Rashida binti Ibrahim. We are from NBH 8B and will present about Petronas. Petronas is state-owned oil and gas company in Malaysia. It was established in 1974 and is fully owned by the country's government. The corporation is responsible for the developments and adding value to the country's oil and gas resource. In Fortune's Global 500 list, which is regarded as the world's largest publicly traded company, Petronas is one of the most prominent corporations. It's also one of the most profitable companies in Asia and the most profitable in the world. Petronas' visions aim to establish itself a center of excellence in field of subsurface product of the oil and gas industry in Asia Pacific. For the missions, Petronas' goals of transforming Malaysia into a hub of subsurface product in expertise, as well as interest of the Malaysian oil and gas industry in building and strengthening their subsurface commercial capabilities. Petronas' objective is organization aim to provide various business in project locally and internationally. Next, to enhance the participants of service companies in the development of subsurface expertise. Petronas encouraged to fully engage with the organizations. Next, Petronas promote agendas and activities such as technical forums and conferences that will benefit and collaborate with Petronas. The top-level management of Petronas is Tan Sri Datuk Sri Muhammad Bakar Saleh, is the CEO of Petronas. He served as Chairman of Telekom Malaysia Berhad before this, currently positioned in August 2021. Next, Datuk Tengku Muhammad Taufik is currently Petronas President and Group Chief Executive Officer. He has held a variety of financial-related jobs, including that Executive President of Finance at Petronas.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Sharifah Dura Uzma. Okay, I will present about the chapter 2, input stage. Okay, for the chapter 2, we have the EFE metric for Petronas. Okay, for the external factor, we have opportunity traits. For the opportunity, for the weight and rating, we conclude for the rating, and then for the weighted score. For the traits, also we conclude for the weight and rating, and then we calculate for the weighted score. For this opportunity and traits, the weighted score is 3.25. Okay, for the competitive profile metric CPM for Petronas, okay, for the critical success factor, we conclude for the Petronas, Shell and Caltex. For the critical factor, for the Petronas, we get the weighted score is 3.16. For the Shell, 2.30, and for the Caltex is 2.35. For the IFE metric for Petronas, okay, for the strengths and weakness, the weighted score is 3.13. Okay, for the strength, the strong free cash flow, superb performance in new market, high level of customer satisfaction, high skill workforce, with reliable supplier. And for weakness, need more investment in new technology, not very good at the product demand for forecasting. Financial planning is not done properly and efficiently. High turnover rate in workforce, and the days inventory is high compared to the competitors. For the summary, okay, for the summary, Petronas are very dynamic global energy group with presence in over 50 countries. Petronas produce and deliver energy and solutions that power society progress and responsible and sustainable manner. Besides that, Petronas seeks energy potential across the globe, optimizing value through the integrated business model. Sustainability is at the core on the harness the good energy to elevate and enrich life. People are their strengths and partners for growth, driving with passion for innovation, progress toward to the future of energy sustainability. Petronas also in line with their shared value, that is loyalty, integrity, professionalism, and cohesiveness. Okay, that's all for my part, chapter 2, input stage. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum and hello. I am Shakirin. I will present about the matching stage. The definition of SWOT matrix. SWOT matrix is a framework that used to evaluate a company's competitive position, and it helps the company to develop strategic planning. SWOT matrix assess internal and also external factors, current and future potential for the company. SWOT matrix consists of strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. For the Petronas strengths, it has strong cash flow, superb performance in new markets, high level of customer satisfaction, high skilled workforce, reliable suppliers. For the Petronas weaknesses, Petronas need more investment in new technologies, not very good at product demand forecasting. Thirdly, Petronas have improper financial planning, high turnover rate, and also desk inventories is high. For the Petronas opportunities, firstly, new technology. Secondly, lowering the cost of transportation services. Discovering new oil sources. New trend of customer behavior. Stable free cash flow that allows for investment. For the Petronas threats, they have a national policy. Tough competition from other competitors. Competitors develop new technologies. There is no regular supply of innovative products, and lastly, a rising pay level. For the SO strategies, Petronas should use social media platform to interact with the customer. Secondly, they should prioritize product development. For the WO strategies, Petronas should forecasting through demand instead of sales. Secondly, they should use social media platform to boost the company productivity. Lastly, Petronas should constant monitoring of consumer feedback and competitive behavior. For the ST strategies, Petronas should offer more affordable prices compared to the competitor. Secondly, they should invest their money in R&D in order to improve the existing process. For the WT strategies, Petronas should reward and recognize the employees in order to retain the current employees. Secondly, they should improve financial and always monitor the financial progress throughout the year. Lastly, Petronas should use social media platform to reach their potential customer. This is the space matrix. Space matrix is a 4-quadrant framework which indicates whether aggressive, conservative, defensive, or competitive strategies they are most appropriate for a given organization. As you can see, this is the figure of the space matrix. Petronas is at the aggressive profiles. Thus, we can conclude that Petronas can fully exploit available opportunities to boost its market share. Therefore, Petronas can focus on offering the lowest price compared to the competitors and also emphasize on products that can really compete with other business. That's all. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. I'm Rashida binti Ibrahim that explain about Chapter 4, is decision stage. Petronas have 4 alternative strategies listed that need to determine the most suitable strategy for the respective attractive action for the strategic planning. The first one is strategic alternative 1. Develop new marketing plan to promote existing product and services to other countries. The strategy can help Petronas to identify and develop new opportunities to new market for selling their products in previously unexplored market. Second strategy is introduce existing and new products or services on social media platform. Strategy is resolved around the emphasis on the products and tries to improve sales by upgrading or modifying existing item or services. The third strategy alternative is develop an application that can connect a customer with updates on a new products or an existing product or services. By launching of new software products and customer need to sign up. This application will help Petronas to promote the existing product for services and also to introduce new products to the industry that can attract customers. This strategy could give more potential and marketing advantages for continue growth in a business. This strategy will help to boost their sales and expand market share for existing products or services in existing markets by increasing marketing with various offer and deal. The third strategy alternative is develop new research and development. By investment in research and development is essentially in technology and future capability which are transformed into new production processes and services. This strategy will lead Petronas to enhance its management and operational efficiency, but it will cost to the company. The table of the QSPM show the company decide a technique to implement by calculating hotness score and analyzing each key factor to justify the feasible alternative strategy to boost their revenue. Based on the result of the sum of the total effectiveness score, the reason to conclude that the alternative strategy that Petronas should be considering is alternative strategy 3. A higher score is obtained by considering all relevant internal and external key factors that may affect the strategy decision. Alternative strategy 3 received 3.9 for the sum of total attractiveness score, while other alternative strategies is below 3 points. By launching the new software product is the way to assure Petronas can have their platform for marketing their products and services appropriately. Moreover, this strategy can also boost customers to remain to buy Petronas products and services. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Setish. I'm going to present about conclusion. We found that Petronas seek energy potential across the globe, optimizing value through the integrated business model, and this was due to the company from producing and delivering energy and solutions that power society progress in a responsible and sustainable manner. Besides, we found that Petronas has built expertise at entering new markets and making success of them. The expansion has helped the organization to build new revenue stream and diversity the economic cycles in the market it operates. Furthermore, we will build a strong base on reliable supplier of raw material, thus enabling the company to overcome any supply chains bottleneck by the Petronas company. For instance, the Petronas introducing the innovation gateway at Petronas iGap. This method serves as online crowdsourcing platform that promotes an open, accessible, and transparent process where participation from brilliant minds outside of Petronas can be celebrated, so that the management idea is crucial to the long survival of a core value within the organization. On the other hand, we learned that the effectiveness of the management process in order to successfully win the business strategy. Petronas offer more affordable price compared to the competitors. Besides, Petronas invest their money in R&D to survive in competitive market by improving existing process. Finally, in order to successfully implement the strategy in a corporation, the company must fully understand the method. By this project, we have managed to gain new knowledge, and it helps us to understand better in the strategy management process from the Petronas company.